loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video with my brother
Josiah.
And so I'm going to be doing his hair in this video, and he has a YouTube channel.
Go subscribe, Josiah Animations.
Yeah.
Real good content.
Yes, y'all. He does animations, it's fire. Go subscribe. But in this video, we're gonna go from this
beautiful
he has more kinky hair, you know, it's not really moisturized right now, and we're gonna transform it into some moisturized, juicy curls. So show them how it's looking right now.
Alright. I got that fake cut, you know, I'm already looking fresh.
What?
Got shoe game, yeah.
Shoe game?
Okay. Fresh jacket,
right.
So, you know, about to be looking more fresh.
I just wanted you to show me your hair. Like,
yeah.
Before. Turn to the side.
Alright.
Okay.
So,
yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that you guys need to achieve this look for all the young men, you know, out there who's trying to get their hair back to something presentable. I got you. So even though we have different hair textures, I'm gonna be using the same method that I use to do my own hair. So first, we're gonna put in the leave-in. Then I have a curl definer, and I'm gonna be using Diva Curl because I really like their products and it keeps a good hold. And so, is your hair already clean?
yes, my hair is always clean.
So I guess he already washed his hair, but it's back like dry. So I'm gonna need a spray bottle, and then I'm gonna use a Denman brush to make sure all the curls are thoroughly combed through. So
That's gonna hurt.
It's not gonna hurt if I start from the ends. I got you. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna start off. So once you actually like detangle it and get it like moisturized, not moisturized, like detangle it and get it wet, it's much easier to go in and moisturize it after that. So I'm gonna section it off with my tooth comb. Wait, did I already tell you guys everything we needed? Did I already tell them?
No.
Oh.
You just said these things.
Oh, we need some clips to clip it out the way. My sections aren't gonna be perfect. Ooh. Actually, I'm just sectioning off my hand. And we're gonna clip this out the way. And I'm like sitting on my legs, y'all. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with I'm going with the leave-in first. And it's like really like runny. Oh wow, you still have blue in your hair.
Yeah, I sprayed my hair with like blue stuff, and
oh my gosh. So you didn't wash your hair?
I just wet it.
Is your hair already clean?
Yes, my hair is always clean.
Well,
you know what else is blue paint? My dog Blaze. You should go to watch it on Josiah Animations. Yeah.
Okay, self-promo. So, ignore my hands if they're blue, because he had some blue spray stuff that he had in his hair. So I'm using this leave-in conditioner by Diva Curl, and I'm just gonna run that through and get it all on all the strands. Oh my gosh, my hands are about to be so blue, like. So now I'm gonna go in with the styling cream, which is a curl definer. I'm trying to define them curls, okay? And just so that the curl will hold, I'm gonna put it in an even smaller section than the section that I already had. And we're gonna shingle it after we comb our hands through it. So take it and do a little shingle, you know what I'm saying? Now this could take a really long time, but it's the best way to get the curl to hold, so that's what we're gonna do. So it's probably easier to like go ahead and wet like a bigger section, that way you don't have to keep going. Spray bottle, leave-in styling cream, spray bottle, leave-in, like that's too much, so we're just gonna like wet, bigger sections, and then just go with the products. This leave-in like goes a long way because it's so runny, but it still gives you like that moisture that you need. So it's really easy to get the hair loose and jiggly.
Goose.
Yes, sir. So do people at your school wear their hair like curly or afros?
They wear their hair ugly, but like honestly, I wear my hair like so cool. Like I honestly get like all the girls coming in on.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Like, do most people have like afros? Do they have waves? Like,
I mean, there's like this one kid in 6th grade. You know, like fake waves that go backwards. But you know, yo, go make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to Neo Josiah Animations. Are you doing it?
What? You just told him. Hold on, I think I'm gonna need some gel.
Now that she's gone, subscribe to Josiah Animations right now.
Yeah. I spit bars, I eat chicken nuggets on a daily basis. Ooh, hey, just like Oasis. Gummy bears in my hair, just like, Maces. Hee hee, ooh, gaga, boo, buddy, but, oh. Really? Huh?
Okay, so I'm actually gonna go through with some gel and coat the curls that I made just to make sure it stays. Sometimes when you don't put the gel, it gets like frizzy easy. And I saw it starting to frizz up, so.
Oh, it's gonna be blue on my face. Oh, blue face, baby.
Yikes. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up. So this could really actually take a while, but once you start doing it, then the curls should last like a few days without you having to really do anything to it. And when you're curling it, you want to make sure you're going like from the root all the way to the end, because otherwise the root's going to be real puffy.
New video coming soon. It's gonna be like the best thing ever. I got new merch.
Merch? Oh yeah, you make t-shirts, right? And the more wet the hair is, the easier it is to, you know, style it. See? Okay, so I just finished this front section. I'm gonna show you guys like a closer view, and then I'm gonna go through the rest of his hair because you guys don't get to see me do the same thing 1,000 times for the longest time ever. Before and after. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with his hair. This is how it's looking. The last thing I'm going to do is go in with some oil to make sure it looks shiny and moisturized. And this is grapeseed oil. I really love this oil. And then I'm going to take the pick and just kind of gently pick it out from the roots, so it's not so like flat and it has something to it. His hair isn't all the way dry right now, but. And then last step, if you want, you can pull out a few pieces to add some length, because y'all know shrinkage. Alright you guys, so that is how you accomplish going from dry and not moisturized to moisturized and curly. So if you guys want more videos, just let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.